go. Quick walk around. Brandon, I'm sorry. I had to cut and weld on it. But I was trying to decide whether to go dual shock or mono shock, and I had this Gixxer strut just sitting in the barn. So I was like, we'll just use it. And here we go. Wait for it. Wait for it. Reverse. Forward. The engine is mounted. Strut is on, permanently on. Got oil cooler, battery mount, and Ranger inspecting everything.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gonna feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling.
So this is the process of making white walls. So mounted the blacks of the wheels, they were a pain. Took a roll-lock Scotch-Brite pad and cleaned all the letters off down to the secondary rubber here. That'll give the paint something to adhere to. Next step is painting. Well, the video I watched was correct. Can't really see it. But with the heating and the black and the rubber and everything, the plastic dip, it did kind of yellow. So that is where this comes in. So we'll give this a shot. If I don't fall over. So just sprayed the white vinyl fabric coat. This is gonna be awesome. Yes, it's not a $300 white wall tire, but this is gonna be amazing. Whoa, wrong way. This is epic.
Every screen, I won't let them fester me. I know most are festering.